Gabby from Gabberdashery, and today is a very exciting new special project vlog because I have the lovely Barbara from Rocking Stitch here.
Hi.
And we wanted to take you on the journey because we're starting a pattern label!
Yay!
So Gabberdashery Patterns, I've already kind of alluded to it, is going to start, and now basically. And I'm super excited to introduce Barbara to you because she's going to come on the journey with me, and I'm so thankful. And I would love you to tell our lovely viewers all about you. So
yeah, so I'm from the Netherlands. I think that's where it all starts. I moved to the UK in 2012, and I moved to Aberdeen at first, and I lived there for a couple of years, and I started my own business called Rocking Stitch. I started my own sewing studio, so I was teaching other people how to sew, doing kids parties and private lessons and sewing meetups, things like that. And then last year I moved to London with my husband for work. So we initially moved to the UK for his work as well, so we now relocated to London. And ever since I've worked for Sew Over It and made a baby in the meantime.
Yay!
So yeah, I show her. This is Mint.
She's so lovely, isn't she?
And yeah, she now comes with me to everything that I do, and I want to get back into freelancing. Yeah, it's just a good way of getting back to work but not having to pay for the crazy childcare.
Yeah, especially in London.
It's absolutely insane.
Yeah. And you're too adorable to leave at home.
Yeah. Yeah, so when you said that you're looking for someone to take on board, you know, in the pattern business, I thought this would be perfect for me.
Well, I'm the lucky one because we met before at the first London Stitchers meetup, didn't we?
Yes. Yeah.
And then the last one, which was 2 weeks ago,
yeah.
I was there going, guys, I don't know what to do because I want to start this pattern business, but I really need someone to kind of come and like do it with me because I'm not so good on the business side, and there's so many things that I just don't know where to begin with, basically. And Barbara said I could do that.
I think I literally raised my hand, like, yeah.
And honestly, everything from then onwards, I was just like,
yes, yeah,
so good,
perfect.
And we had our first meeting last week, and it's just gone unbelievably well.
Yep.
What I love is the amount of kind of honesty and also grounding that you've brought to the whole thing. You've made me realise what we can and can't do, and but it's been so yeah, just eye-opening, and so yeah, I'm very much the lucky one, and I'm really pleased.
Yeah, no, I'm excited to join in because you've got, so I think we're a perfect match because I'm, especially as you said, like more interested in the business side of things, and you're really creative, so your designs are amazing, and I've never been really good at designing, but I love sewing.
Yes.
So it just all fits together, doesn't
Yes,
it?
and she was wearing mustard and blue and white stripes, and look how like matching we are.
We did not talk this through, but it just.
So this is how well it's going. It's a match made in heaven.
Yes. Yeah.
So the reason why we're doing this vlog is because one thing that we started talking about, and Megan told me to do this right from the start, and she's so right, is involve all of you on our journey, because we're going to start completely from scratch. We are going to be making a indie pattern sewing business.
Yay!
And we want you to join us. We thought if we start with this vlog, then you can all kind of hear what we're beginning with, and join us on the journey, and we just would love to have you involved, basically.
Yep.
It's really important for us as sewers and makers that the community feel like they're part of something and kind of moulding it to things that they need and they want, and that's exactly what we want to do. We want to create a business that is what people need and want, and hopefully are really inspired and excited to be a part of.
Yeah, I'm super excited to bring everyone with us and to sort of see the community as or a soundboard and sort of
Yes.
see what everyone wants. So
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So so this is us saying hello.
Hi.
Welcome to our sewing pattern company, Gabberdashery Patterns.
Gabberdashery
is the name.
Patterns.
And you're going to all be a part of it.
Yeah. So
So-
we've got nothing to show you yet.
Yeah.
This is really just the start, isn't it?
Yeah, really new. We have 3 different designs that we're playing around with at the moment, and we're trying to decide on the order. The number one thing, and we are going to need your help with right from the start, is
Yes.
we need to find a pattern cutter.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because unfortunately, maybe in the future, but that's something that we cannot do at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we need someone for that.
And we like the idea of outsourcing to to someone that can actually do that. That is what they do.
Yeah.
And create a business for someone else as well that they can get involved. So yes, if you are that person, or you know someone, or you have some ideas for us, please send us a message.
Get in touch.
Yeah, definitely. And we're both on Instagram, Rocking Stitch.
Yep.
At Gabberdashery, and you're going to be hearing a lot more from us.
Yes.
So thank you guys. We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
And we want you